Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Malawi. Malawi has got its capital in Lilongwe. It is a country in Africa, in the eastern part of Africa. We shall see that. And it got its independence in the year 1964 from the British. It is a totally landlocked country with three countries bordering it. They are Mozambique, Zambia and Tanzania. And Malawi has got four important landscapes. So these four important landscapes basically in Africa they formed Malawi. They are Great Rift Valley. Great Rift Valley is on the eastern side of Malawi and the whole of Africa. It is also called East African Rift Valley. So this is a very famous rift valley that has got a lake in it and also an important valley in it. They are Lake Malawi and Shire Valley. So these are two important landscapes inside this Great Rift Valley. So Lake Malawi is on the north side of this Great Rift Valley and Shire Valley is on the south side of this Great Rift Valley. And the central part of Malawi is occupied by the Central Plateau, a huge chunk of plateau that is occupying all of 3/4 of the land of Malawi. So Malawi is totally 3/4 of it is plateau. There are also highlands and isolated mountains. Both of these are on the south side of Malawi. We shall see them. And Malawi is considered as one of the poorest countries in the world by the United Nations Development Program based on the Human Development Index. So we have Human Development Index that gauges the index human development in countries. So that is very low in Malawi. So it is one of the poorest countries. Even last year our president visited Malawi in his mission of visiting these African countries. So this is how it was in news, and we shall see the basic location and related topics, related landscapes and bordering countries in Malawi. To start with, Malawi somewhat looks like this. For example, if this is the East Africa, if this is the eastern side of Africa, Malawi is located over here towards the east. So we shall see the basic outline of Malawi. It is a small country when compared to its neighboring countries. So it is in this way, in this form. We shall see the bordering countries in Malawi first. Bordering countries of Malawi. First we shall see the country that is on the west of Malawi. So all of west is occupied by a huge country called Zambia. So Zambia is on the west of Malawi, and on the east of Malawi here we have Tanzania. So Tanzania is occupying the northeastern side and eastern side of Malawi. Later we have Mozambique here. So Mozambique is taking all of the this half of eastern side and all of south side of Malawi. So east and south there is this country of Mozambique. So these are the three countries: Zambia in the west, Tanzania in the northeast and east, and Mozambique on the southeast and south also. So this is how Malawi is positioned between these three countries. And here we have the border, that is the eastern coast of Africa. So this is the eastern coast of Africa. So here we have Atlantic Ocean. So this is very close to the eastern coast of Africa. Now we shall see the interior of Malawi. As I have told, this has a huge Great Rift Valley. Great Rift Valley is a huge depression. So all of its east is formed by Great Rift Valley. So this is a huge depression that is on the east side of Malawi. This is Great Rift Valley. So this Rift Valley has got two important things in it, that is Lake Malawi. So in this depression we have a lake over here in the north side of this Rift Valley. So we need to divide this Rift Valley into two. In the north side we have this Lake Malawi, and on the south side of this Rift Valley, in the same eastern side of Malawi, in the same Rift Valley we have a valley named Shire Valley as part of Rift Valley. So these are two important locations, Malawi Lake and Rift Valley. This Malawi Lake, as it is bordering even Tanzania also, there is a contention or claim on this lake by both Tanzania and Malawi. So this is a fighting point or contention point between the two countries. Next we have the Central Plateau. So the Central Plateau, as the name says, this is occupying the central part of Malawi. Here is the Central Plateau, and this plateau is so much extended all through Malawi, so that it covers, we have to draw it in the way that it covers 3/4 of the land of Malawi. So huge Central Plateau. And both of these highlands and isolated mountains, they are on the south side of Malawi. So here we have these mountains. So this is on the south side of Malawi, and here we have highlands. So both highlands and mountains, both of them occupy the southern part of Malawi, and Central Plateau occupies the central part of Malawi, and Great Rift Valley occupies the eastern part of Malawi. And this Great Rift Valley has got a lake by name Malawi Lake and a valley by name Shire Valley. So these are all the four important landscapes inside Malawi. So this is the basic location and how it has different landscapes in it and all. It is very famous for these landscapes, that it has all kinds of landscapes in it. This is the basic thing of it, and this is regarded as one of the poorest countries, but still it is visited by so many countries' presidents. Even Indian president also visited it in last year. So this is the basic thing about Malawi, and thank you.